Why nobody has been telling us this? Why? This is a very vital information that we should know. I have a question. When do you think we should begin saving for our retirement? When do we think we should begin saving for our retirement? When we are 45 or 55 or 65 or 70? No, the last answer is not the right one. Everybody knows you cannot begin saving when you are going to be in your retirement. Everybody knows that. But when should we begin saving for our retirement? Okay, let me help you. When the government begin taking money from your check for your social security, when? It's from your first check, right? Okay. Then if the government begin taking your or helping you to prepare your retirement through social security for you from your first check, then why do you think yourself we should begin saving our personal money for, or having a personal saving for our retirement? That very important moment where we need medication, we go to doctor, we do that, we do. When should we begin saving money for that moment? It's from the very first check, right? Okay, now we know when we should begin saving money for our retirement. But this is the point. When you save your money for your retirement, why do you think you have to put your hard saving retirement money that you can benefit from it when you will be retiring? Why do you think we should be keeping that money? It is in a simple saving account? Oh no, you know it's not a simple saving account, because in that account we have 0.00001% of interest. No, that's not the place to put your hard saving retirement money. Where do you know where you should put that? Which is in an account with an insurance company that we call FIA, Fixed Index Annuity. When you put your hard-earned money for your retirement in an FIA, Fixed Index Annuity account, these companies usually promise you 6 to 8% interest. And that account, apart from many features, many huge features of that account, I'm going to give you two. I'm going to give you two examples of amazing features of that account. First, there is a section that we call cash value section, where with time that account accumulate some money for you, some amount of your hard earning saving for you, using compound interest. Then in that cash value is your money that you can borrow and do whatever you want with it. Buy a house, create a business, buy a car, whatever you want to do with it, you can borrow it. It's your own bank. Very interesting, right? Then you can pay back that money, or just you cannot pay it back. And what happened? This is another section. This is another feature. I promise to tell you two amazing features. The second one is there is a section that we call death benefit. In that account, apart from the cash value, the company promises you a certain amount of money that your beneficiary or your beneficiaries, if they are many, they are going to take when you die. Then when you take the money in a cash value and you don't want to pay it, and you can pay it if you want, but you don't want to pay it, at your death, they are going to take the money you took before during your life and you didn't pay back, and they are going to take it from that death benefit before giving the rest to your family. Amazing, right? And we have nursing home, credit, a lot of things in that account that we can't tell you here now. What you are hearing here is very important. We have to save for our retirement moment apart from our social security. Yes, we have to personally save for our retirement moment. And after we begin, or when we begin saving, we don't keep that hard saving in a simple saving account. We put it in an FIA, fixed index annuity, that will yield us cash value and a death benefit. Then, what happens at your retirement? You get paid. You have saved for your retirement. This company use what we call compound interest to multiply your money for you, and at your retirement you get paid according to your agreement you come to with the company. You can choose to be paid certain amount the rest of your life, or you can be paid certain amount, a certain number of times if you come to an agreement with the company and you didn't finish being paid. The rest of the money will be given to your beneficiaries plus the death benefit. Do you see it? This account is very amazing. Call us today to set up an FIA, fixed index annuity. Call us today.